How to use Cider AI. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use Cider AI to enhance workflow with ChatGPT and Google Bard. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, let me tell you what are the features available inside AI. As you can see in this photo, the first one is the chat option. Once you click on it, you can chat with OpenAI and be able to talk and solve your problem. After that is write. If you have some issue with writing problem, you can choose this option. Other one is the translate. Now if you want to translate any language to English, choose this option. Then after the search one. By clicking on it, you will be able to solve and sort your problem. After that, in more option, you can see grammar, OCR and ask. These all feature are related to the writing skill. After that, the last is 9 and 10th number, which is the photo and painting related. If you want AI to create a painting or picture for you, you can choose this option and then solve your problem. Side AI application can also be used as ChatGPT. As you can see in the right hand side, the cider is opened and in the three lines at the top right corner, ChatGPT is selected. After you select that, the question will be directly asked to ChatGPT. Not only that, but Cider AI itself is very helpful for us. It has a lot of feature that helps us to solve our problems. So that's it. That is how easily you can use Cider AI to solve your issues. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.